Hello everyone, welcome to my trivia channel. So today's video we will talking about spider fighting or spider derby. So it is famous in Philippines. Okay, so spider fighting or spider derby is a blood sport involving spiders that occurs in different forms in several areas of the world. Among there are Philippines, Japan, and Singapore. The fights that occur in the Philippines and in Japan are staged between females of various species of weavers. So female spiders will kill a rival if the loser does not quickly flee or receive the aid of a human handler. The contests that are staged in Singapore are fights between male jumping spiders. The female fight only for dominance, and ordinarily the loser will flee, though sometimes they will lose a leg in the fight. In the Philippines, spider fighting in Hiligaynon, Pahibag sang damang. In Cebuano, Paaway kaka or Sabong sa kaka is staged between female orb weavers from the genus Neoscona. So in Japan, the contest occur at an annual festival and use females of the genus Argyup. So in Japanese, these contests are called Kumugasen, so which is spider battles. In Singapore, they use males of the genus Tenia, and most commonly use the species. So Tenia bamonsis. So all those other species of the genus may sometimes be used, like cockfighting. Spider fighting is a sport that usually involves beating, and event occur frequently. So here in Philippines, spider fighting is a popular blood sport among rural Filipino children, especially in the Visaya region. The game begins by placing two spiders at opposite ends of a stick. The spiders are then brought to move along the length of the stick until they encounter each other and fight. The spiders are usually caught in trees and bushes in the early morning or during dusk when the spiders come out to spin webs. After capture or in between fights, the spiders are stapled in used matchboxes. These matchboxes usually have separate cells to house several spiders. The cells are normally made from discarded cardboard or a single blade of coconut leaf bent several times inside the matchbox. Sometimes, trainers assemble a langsaranan where the spider is released to a flat enclosed by a net or a plastic bottle with tiny holes. Most spiders fight are done with a single piece of dried coconut leaf midrib, usually taken from a broom made from such midrib, Cebuano, gungi, Tagalog, walis tingting, or bamboo. The spiders are placed at both ends and encouraged to move towards each other and fight. It is held by one child who ensures that the spiders do not escape by alternately switching grip from one end to another. How a fight ends is agreed upon beforehand. Fights to the death will end with one spider being left paralyzed and swiftly wrapped in silk. Non-lethal matches end when one spider falls from the stick once or several times depending on the agreement. Finally, the child holding the stick may need to quickly intervene in a non-lethal fight to prevent the winning spider from eating the losing spider. Normal fights called kakaderbers are held in an arena made of two poles connected by a tight string. Underneath is a padding, so usually polystyrene foam, to ensure that the spiders are not injured in case they fall down. A fight that includes large sums of money normally has a crummy or referee, similar to cockfighting.
Pero huwag natin kakalimutan na ang spider kaka ay endangered na sa ating mundo.
So hopefully guys, meron kayong natutunan sa ating trivia for this day. So hopefully that you enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe and click the